Okay, hello everyone again. Guys, this is the worksheet. It's in the bottom folder, the orange folder. Okay? It's just some absolute value graphs. And it's going to get you ready for how to do the exit ticket. You need to recognize which graph is the absolute value graph. Now remember the formula. You might want to write it down. All right, remember the A makes it thinner or wider or flips it upside down. The H moves it left and right, and the K moves it up and down. And the vertex we found out was just HK. The vertex, the point right there where it bends at the corner, where it changes direction, okay, that's HK. And the weird thing about this, remember the K is exactly what it says out here, because this says plus K. The K is exactly whatever it reads. But the H is the opposite sign of what it reads here. Okay, because that's negative H in the formula, whatever the actual equation, when we look at it, it's the opposite of what we see, all right? Because this says x minus positive h, all right? That's really what that is. It's kind of weird, but just remember you go the opposite of what's inside, exactly what's outside. H is the opposite of what you see. K is exactly what you see. Let's look at number one. Inside, that says -3. So the H is 3. Outside, there's nothing here. It's plus 0. So K is really 0. So that's where the vertex is. All right, look at the slope. It's 1. It's not upside down. It's right side up. So find 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. There it is right there. All right. That's not it. No, no, that's not it. That's 0, 3. That's not it. That's upside down. It's this one right here. Okay? Let's go to the next one. All right. Again, I'm trying to find out what HK is. I'm trying to find out what HK is. Inside here, there's nothing. The H is 0. The X is just by itself inside the absolute value symbol. Inside, there's nothing. But outside, it says plus 1. All right, so the K is 1 outside here. So find our vertex, 0, 1. Right here. It's right side up. That's it. All right. Slope of 1. That's it. All right, number 3. Again, I'm looking for the HK. Give me a second here. I'm going to adjust this. There we go. This moves around a lot, guys. I'm sorry. I'm looking for what is HK. And again, I want the opposite of what's inside, the absolute value, exactly what's outside. So the opposite of what's inside is -1. Because remember, this is supposed to say x minus h. So this says plus h, so the h must be negative. Right? It's x minus -1 is the same as x plus 1. So it's -1. I know that's weird, but just think of it like this. The opposite of what's inside. Exactly what's outside. It says there -1, so that's what the K is, -1. It's right side up. -1, -1. It's right there. That's it. I don't have to go any further, do I? That's not negative. That's upside down. So that's upside down too. Okay. Guys, remember this grid goes up by twos. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So -1, -1 puts it right there. Okay? These grids go up by 2. That's the way it is, I think, on the test too, or on the exit ticket. All right? Don't forget to do the exit tickets, you guys. It weights a lot toward your grade. So try to do well on it. I can help you with it if you want some help. It's okay. All right, the next one. I'm looking for HK. All right. It's the opposite of what's inside. That says +3. So I'm going to use -3. Exactly what's outside. Well, outside is nothing here. This must be 0. Now be careful. This is upside down. See the negative here? This is upside down, this one. All right, so it's not this one. That's upside down, but I need to go -3 along the x. I need to go -3 along the x. This is going up 3. That's not it. Right there. -3 on the x, upside down. That's +3. This is it right here. All right? All right, again, I'm looking for HK. Adjust this again. All right. Again, H is the opposite of what's inside. There's nothing in here, so 0. Exactly what's outside, that's 3. So go to 0, 3. It's upside down. Don't forget it's upside down, so that's not this one. That's upside down, but we need to go along the y-axis. We need to go down 3. I'm sorry, up 3. We need to go up 3. Yeah, it's this one right here. I see it. Right here. Upside down, +3. Go back up and look at the formula. Yep, +3, upside down. That's it. All right. Number 6, I'll speed up here a little bit. Opposite of what's inside. That says -4. So I'm going to write 4. Exactly what's outside. That says -2. So I'm going to write -2. And it's upside down. So find the point 4, -2. 4, -2. Well, that's it right there. Upside down. That's the first one. That's it. That's it. Yep. 4, -2. Right there. Our last one. All right. We want to find HK. And we know, we look inside, say the opposite. This says +1. That means this H is -1. And K is exactly what's the outside, -2. So that's -2. Now, this is upside down. It says negative, and it says -2. So it's going to be thinner. It's going to go up twice as fast. Well, first find this point. -1, -2. -1, that's right here. -1, -2. It's upside down. It goes down with a slope of 2 on this side. That's it right here. All right. Guys, that's it. Try the exit ticket. And if you need some help, and guys, this copy of this worksheet is in this orange folder. If you want to print it, you don't have to hand this in. This is for practice. That's why I do it for you. Guys, I give you the answers. They're on the last page. All right? I give you the answers. All right? I'm trying to help you to do this. You don't have to hand this in. But you do need to do the exit ticket, okay? All right, if you need some help, email me.